Hey y'all, it's your girl AdoriAsia, and I'm back with another video. Back with another video for you ho. And today we are doing just a little color action. I didn't feel like filming an intro after it was done, blah blah blah. So we're just gonna get right into it because y'all not here to hear me talk. Y'all just want to see me do what I do, okay? All right, so to get started, we're gonna put on some gloves. And I have some big old gloves here from one of the dye kits that I had a couple months ago. And I'm starting on freshly washed hair. I washed it last night and I put it in for a twist, whatever. I did damp it a little bit with water though. So yeah, so today we are going to be using the Kiss Colors Tintation in the color Raspberry Prism. And the cool thing about these Kiss Colors is that on the bottle, it tells you, so here it says level 5. So that is the level of lightness or blonde that your hair needs to be in order to achieve the color, which is cool. I don't really care about that. My hair is already a little bit light, so whatever. I'm also going to be mixing in this deep conditioner. With that, I went ahead and I bought this Palmer's olive oil formula deep conditioner for like $1.50 a pack. And I got 2 packs. I probably only need 1, but yeah. So we're gonna deep condition and color at the same time, you know, multitask, kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Should I go up to my roots? Nah, I'm not. So even though I'm not going up to my roots, I'm just doing the color part. I am gonna put, I don't have any Vaseline right now, but I'm gonna put some of this grease around my edges so my skin doesn't get dyed pink or purple or whatever color this is. So we're gonna do that. So now that that's applied, I have my little old trusty dye towel right here. We are going to mix our ingredients. I have this little mixing bowl right here. I have my conditioner, I have my semi-permanent hair dye, and I have my little brush so I can mix it up, or I just might use my hands. We'll see how I feel. And we're going to start with one of the back sections, because why not? Okay, it is a little bit damp. On the instructions of this bottle, it says that your hair needs to be towel dry, so it feels like it's pretty towel dried. All right, we're gonna go ahead and open up this conditioner. What time is it? I got a meeting at 10. It says there is 2.1 ounces in here. And we are just gonna put that into our bowl. So we got most of that out into our mixing bowl. We are gonna go ahead and just dump this bad boy in, because why not? Is it open? Here we go. All right, we are going to mix that up. I'm gonna mix it with my brush. That's what that is. Oh, why is it pink? Okay. So now we're just gonna work this through each section. You know what I mean? Wow. That is not the color I'm expecting, but we're gonna go with it. We're gonna go with it. Alrighty, so we're back. I did all 4 sections. I actually went ahead, after I finished each section, I went in and I went directly from the bottom. And I put directly from the bottle onto the strap, onto the hair. It says to leave it in for 15 minutes. However, I did a test strand with literally just the pigment itself. And I had washed my hair. Maybe it's because I washed my hair the next day, but I washed my hair the next day and it was all gone. Like, there was no trace of it. So I'm gonna leave it in It's 8:47. I'm gonna leave it in for about 40 minutes, cause why not? And we're gonna wrap it on up, cause we recycle out here. Hopefully it's not an epic fail, and hopefully I come out of this with a decent looking color, because if not, good thing we're on quarantine. It's been 40 minutes, and I'm gonna go ahead and wash it out with some cool water and see what happens. I washed it out until the water, it wasn't completely clear. It was like very, very light color left, but I ain't had time for all that. I'm just happy it's not pink like it looked in the bottle. Ooh. I'm just gonna put some styler in it and some mousse, and that's it. I'm gonna go in with my Texture ID styling cream. Just gonna go in with that much, nothing too crazy. We're not going anywhere, so, you know, things don't have to be perfect, okay? We just wanna make sure she's moisturized and happy. And then now I'm gonna go in with the Shea Moisture Frizz Free Curl Mousse. It's actually been a while since I've used this. I actually just bought this bottle. Let's see if it is a banger still. All right, I applied my styling cream and my mousse. This is what we have. Alrighty, so here is my hair, 95% dry. Didn't really do too much for a style, because I'm not keeping it like this too long. I just put it up, because I've also been trying not to, you know, manipulate my hair a lot, especially since I ain't going nowhere. But here's the finished product on the color. I think it looks pretty decent, you know. Tell me what you guys think down below. Make sure you like this video. Look, my hands are pink. Make sure you like this video, share, subscribe. You know the deal. You know the deal. If you've been watching me and you haven't subscribed yet, then like, what are you waiting for, honestly? What are you waiting for? That's what I thought. Nothing. You're not waiting for nothing. So just subscribe. Look at them inches though. Look at them inches though. Bye.